Hi there. Welcome to Tech Demystified, where we demystify tech and coding concepts that seem impossible until you realize just how simple they can be. Today, we're tackling QR codes, how computers generate those square patterns to store and share information seamlessly. Sounds like magic, right? Well, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how it works, but also write a few lines of Python code to do it yourself. Let's dive in. QR codes, short for quick response codes, were invented in 1994 in Japan for the automotive industry. Today, they're widely used for sharing information like links, contact details, or Wi-Fi credentials. They're essentially a type of barcode that can store data in a grid of black and white squares. But how does this work? The data in a QR code is first converted into binary, which is a series of zeros and ones. This binary data is then arranged in a specific pattern within the grid. The pattern includes not just the encoded data, but also important components like position markers, large squares in the corners to help scanners identify the code's orientation, alignment patterns, smaller squares that help ensure accurate decoding even if the code is tilted or skewed, timing patterns, alternating black and white modules that help the scanner measure the grid size. The binary data is organized in these patterns, and each module, the smallest square in the grid, represents a single bit. The placement of these bits ensures the data can be read efficiently and reliably by a scanner. One fascinating aspect is that QR codes include error correction, which means they can still work even if up to 30% of the code is damaged or obscured. Pretty cool, right? But how can you create one yourself? Spoiler, it's a lot easier than you think, especially with Python. Let's jump into the VS Code IDE and code this up. Here's what you'll need to get started. 1. Install Python if you don't already have it. 2. Install the QR code library by running this command in your terminal or command prompt. Once you have done that, we can begin coding. First, we'll import the necessary module. Decide what information you want the QR code to store. It can be a URL, text, or any other data. For this example, we will be directing the QR code to the Google homepage. Next, the following code demonstrates how to use the QR code library to generate a QR code. Here we can adjust the box size and border. Finally, we convert the QR code into an image and save it. And that's it. This code creates a QR code with your data and saves it as an image file called qrcode.png. Let's run the script and see the result. Here it is, a fully functional QR code. You can scan it with your phone, and it will take you to the link we specified. You can also customize the colors or add a logo to the QR code for a more personalized touch. Here's how you can change the colors. Here we are changing the background color to yellow and the barcode to blue. And that's it. In just a few lines of Python code, we've created a QR code generator. Imagine how you can use this for personal projects, businesses, or even just for fun. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about what tech concept you'd like me to tackle next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.